Every person has to check themselves. I believe studies show if it gets to 2 hours a day of non-stop, then it becomes an addiction. If you need to take it with you into the toilet, the bathroom, or the shower, if you need to place the phone on a table while you're talking to other people constantly, unless you've got an important phone call coming in, of course, but really just to check your likes and whatever, and you can no longer focus on interacting, communicating with even your family. You start to forget a lot. You start to miss out on your duties and responsibilities. When you start to see yourself procrastinating, I would say look at yourself now and how you were a year ago. If these things are happening, you've become addicted, and you've really got to control